Okay, so it says write the matrix equation for the following systems, then state their dimensions. We're going to do that, and we're also going to do a different kind of matrix in there with it. So when you have a matrix equation, you've got three matrices that you're going to write. You're going to write a coefficient matrix, a variable matrix, and a constant matrix. Okay? So the first one we have is coefficients. So for this matrix here, my coefficients are -2, 7, 6, and -4. Okay? Those are your coefficients. And when it says write the dimensions, it's the row by the column. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? 2. So you have a 2 by 2. Then I have the variable matrix, which just has the variables in it. Hence the name. Variables. And then the last one we have over here is the constants. So what are the dimensions of the variable matrix? Row first. How many rows are there? 2. 2 by 1. And what about your constants? 2 by 1. Okay? And that, like I said, is a matrix equation. Okay? The other type of matrix that you can write is an augmented matrix. And you use augmented matrix when you want to use reduced row echelon form. Don't worry, you don't have to know that. Okay? In an augmented matrix, you have -3, -3, -6, and 6. So I have my coefficients. Then I have this line here that's representing my equal sign. And then on the other side, I have my constants. So -27 and -30. Most of the time when we do an augmented matrix, I'm not going to ask you for the dimensions. Matrix equation, I'll probably ask you for you. So far, so good? Okay. So if I go down here to number 6 and we write the matrix equation again. So coefficients come first. -4, -5, 3. -6, -1, -3. -6, -4. What do you think has to go here where the y would be? 0. We got to put something there. 0. What are the dimensions of this matrix here? 3 by 3. We got 3 rows. We got 3 columns. So 3 by 3. Then we got our variables. X, Y, Z. And what are those dimensions? 3 by 1. And then 3 by 1 again. Matrix equation, augmented matrix. So we can write an augmented matrix for this one too. So we got our coefficients. Our equal sign, and then our constants.